The open house was an event where children showcased their learning and understanding from the classroom. Logical thinking and reasoning. Children explored patterns, sequences, and shapes, displaying a strong foundation through hands-on experiences. Numeracy skills. They showcased their understanding of math by performing subtraction and addition, displayed the use of cardinal numbers, and demonstrated how numbers are part of everyday life. Knowledge and understanding of the world. Children discussed animal habitat, extinct animals, volcanoes, and more, showcasing their knowledge through exploration. Technology. A wide range of activities showcased learning through technology, including coding to program robots. In the world of culinary exploration, children enjoyed making cookies, experimenting with textures, and even folding napkins, a blend of sensory learning and practical life skills. Musical expression.
Ta, ti, 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 ta.
They displayed their understanding of rhythm, the ability to play a few melodies, and sang tunes they enjoy. Language and literacy. The magic of words unfolded as children read sentences, narrated stories,
Can you help me to
identified words, and showcased story sequencing, bringing their language skills to life. The open house was a celebration of inquiry, creativity, and joyful learning. Thank you for being part of this journey with us.